Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, heads-up display, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Come test drive the 2017 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, power passenger seat, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.